Jones barbecue foot massage. Jones barbecue foot massage.
Jones barbecue and foot massage. Jones barbecue and foot massage.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new raving gaming video. Star Drift video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Star Drift video. And today, well, Dark Drift video. Give me one little second.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another Dark Drift video. And today, I got some pretty cool stuff. So, woo! Look at this. Also, I got a new crib, so shout out to that. We are in East Coast, and right here, I have the Porsche Turbo S. Then we got the M4 and the Honda Civic. And today, we're going to have a little bit of fun. So, I also have a great announcement to tell you. That today I've done an amazing decision, and I've been deciding for this for a long ass time, and today we're gonna be buying a brand new car, ladies and gentlemen. So I can't wait to do this. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go. And also I just realized the M4. I have no idea if you guys can hear me because it's so loud. Turn traction control off. I'm screaming because I don't know if you guys can hear me. Or maybe you guys can, I don't know, and I might look stupid after posting this video.
Why you always lying?
Manual mode. Almost just killed myself there. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Oh man. So if I just like do it from a second gear pull.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the location of the new car. Oh my god, dude. This is insane. I literally don't even know what to say. It's like one of those pinch yourself moments. There's no way. I already know what the car looks like, but I haven't seen what it looks like finished. I've seen what it looks like before it was done, but I hadn't seen it finished. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go. Do I even go over the speed bump? Like, what? Like, I don't even know what to say. Alright, let's go. Alright. I'm so scared. Oh, I see part of it. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh. My god. Oh no.
5 minutes later.
Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just bought a Mustang 302. Gosh, alright, so this right here is my new 2013 Mustang 302. This thing is insane. It has twin turbos. Oh, it has parachutes. I didn't even put those on there. That came with the car. Oh my gosh, this thing is insane. Alright, I can't wait to even get in this thing. Alright, let's get in it. Holy crap. Oh, it has the freaking racing steering wheel. It's a stick shift too. It's a manual. Has gauges up there. It has racing seats. This thing is insane. Alright. We're gonna take this thing out for a drive. Oh my gosh. I know once I start this thing, I'm gonna fall in love. Should I do it? Oh, should I do this? Is this mine? Oh my gosh. Alright. I'm gonna do it. 3, 2. It's an accessory. It's in accessory mode right now. Alright, let's go. Oh, that is loud. Wasn't as loud as the freaking M4. This thing is insane. Holy crap. Alright, I can't wait to see what this drives like. Alright, so the M4 is gonna stay here. Let me just check my recording. Yeah, that's good. The M4 is gonna stay here. I'll probably bring it back later. And I also just got using a stick shift too. Except for I don't have an actual shifter, but eventually I'll get it. Oh wait, the parking brake's on. Oh! It just shot a flame! He has a hood exhaust too! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wanna wait until at least next video until I break anything. I'm trying not to crash this. Let me try to juice it. The turbo whistles! No! What? No, this is not my car. This is not my freaking car. This is not my freaking, no. No. No, this is not my freaking car. This car is insane. And by the way, I'm gonna tell you something. Let me pull over. Why the frick? Did I just break my...
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
Y'all didn't see that. On. Oh, shit. Alright, let me tell you something real quick. Let me just go over here. Let's shut it off. Let me tell you something before this thing goes back, since the parking brake isn't working. This is not just a Mustang 302. As you can obviously tell, there's a lot of things done to this Mustang 302. This is not your average, typical Mustang 302. I want you guys to guess in the comments down below, how much horsepower do you think this 302 runs? But now, I'm going to get back in this thing and we're going to drive home, because I just wanted to tell you guys that, because this thing is insane. What? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, there we go. Wait, did I just shut off? Come on, what if I... Oh my... What? This is nuts. Okay, we're going home right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going first person. That turbo whistle is just insane. Luckily, the house is right here. Oh my gosh. This is the most insane thing in the world. The M4 isn't there, so I'm gonna have to go back and get it, but right now I don't care. Alright, I gotta bring this thing back to the house for a second. Oh my god. This is the most insane car I've ever bought. I've never owned this car. Like, I've owned motorcycles and other stuff, but I haven't owned this. Except for I couldn't upload that video because of the stupid thing. Oh no, I'm gonna park it facing forward. I'm gonna reverse it in. I can actually see out of the back of this thing too. I would never be able to do that with the GT3. I can actually see out of this thing. Holy crap, but that Boss 302 engine, just insane. This engine was fully built too. It says it was fully custom built. Holy crap. I'm actually serious. If you guys watch this video, I want you to comment down below and guess how much horsepower does this car run? Because this car is going to be in multiple videos on this channel, period. So I want you guys to know how much this thing runs, because this thing is insane. This thing's insane. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to park this thing up. Yep, it's good. I want to start it again. I'm literally... Like, is this even my car? Like, literally. Like, I don't even realize that this is a video. Like, I literally don't even think. This is my car. This is not my car. Like, he even has a cowl hood, too. Let me get a side profile. That's perfect. That's just perfect. I also realized that the rear suspension is lifted a tiny bit because these tires are huge, but... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need to change my diaper. Oh my gosh. This is not my car. Okay, you know, I'm gonna stop exaggerating. We're going on a freaking drive. First, I gotta bring the M4 back, so, let me give y'all a second. Ooh, oh my gosh, I am so happy to have this car. And look at that, it looks perfect right here next to the M4. Oh my gosh, that is just insane. Well, you know what time it is now. Jones barbecue foot massage. Sorry. Alright, let's do this right now, ladies and gentlemen. Start. Why is it? Oh, the fucking book's on. Whoo! That is perfect. Oh my god, this thing is perfect. This thing is the best car. It's the best car I've ever bought. Y'all didn't see that.
Why the fuck you lying?
My god. Oh, the roundabout right there. Can I drift? No, this thing doesn't drift. That'd be cool if this thing could drift, but the suspension's so stiff. This thing is fast. Damn. This thing is quick. Let's go first person. Oh my gosh. The turbo whistle's addicting. Oh my gosh. I'm totally gonna get lost after I drive out here, because every time I drive away from the house I get lost, but I don't care. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You didn't see that either. I also have to get used to this thing too, because in the Porsche and all the other cars I shift at 7,000 RPM, and this one goes all the way up to 8,000, so I'm getting used to it because I literally just got it. So yeah, I shift that red line in this thing, and this thing red lines at about 8,000 RPM, so I have to definitely get used to that, because I'm used to shifting at 7,000 like all the other cars do. This thing goes all the way up to 8,000. Wow, this is insane. I literally don't even know what to say. What the fuck? We got freaking Mustang! Oh shit. What the hell? What did I do? A freaking S197? Bro, what? Okay. I have no idea where I am. I'm gonna turn here. I have no idea where this is. I think this is back where I was. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. I recognize this place. This is back where the house was. Wow, that's actually crazy. I found that. Alright, let's make a U-turn here. Well, actually, let's go in here. I've never been in here. Oh, is this like some sort of like warehouse? And there's nothing back here. Alright. Oh, there's train. I just realized I live right by the train tracks. Oh! Y'all didn't see that either. Y'all didn't see that either.
Stop fucking lying.
Jones Park. Sorry. Jones Park. Shut up! Why the frick do I keep doing that? Holy shit. Alright, let's go. Oh shit, what the hell did I do with my camera? Alright, let's turn here. Is this where I'm supposed to turn? No. I'm supposed to turn up there, but oh well. I like rev the boost up all the way. Like if I can, if I like pull over here, if I pull over here, and I like brake. If I like brake, and I put it in neutral. Make sure it's in neutral. What if I rev it all the way? This thing pops? Wait. Oh! What? Dude, I've never owned any car like this in BEAMNG ever. This is my first car like this. This is literally my first popping car. Holy crap, this is addictive. I just went the wrong way again. Are you kidding me? Why is this town like in a loop? I didn't see that either. Like a perfect stop. This thing has good brakes too, by the way.
You stupid.
It's like absolutely perfect. Oh, I just realized there's a cul-de-sac down here. Wow. Right off the train tracks in the highway. Thing has a tight turning radius. Up the block right here. Holy crap. Alright, let's reverse. This thing is amazing. I love this car. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. I'm definitely gonna end this video here because last time, wait, how long am I recording now? This is embarrassing that I have to check it during a video. Usually YouTubers don't do that. It doesn't tell you when. Oh wait. I think this is 15 minutes. I'm just gonna end this here because last time I recorded to 40 minutes, my computer crashed. But that was because I had traffic on, so that was dumb. I'm gonna figure out a way to get that all sorted out, and yeah. I'm thinking if I should do it now. Jones barbecue foot.
Jones barbecue and foot massage. Jones barbecue and foot massage.
Ah. So, anyways. Let's continue now. So let's get out of here. Oh wait, did I just? What did I do? Oh wait, the car's on. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna do an edit until I do something else. So do edit.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got something different. So as you can see, we got the 302, which is cool, but I ended up purchasing one of these insane dirt bikes, motocross bikes. It goes 100 miles an hour, and this thing's insane. So loud. Can you hear me? OBS, can you hear me? Oh shit, I'm peeking out my mic. That was dumb. Alright, let's go. This thing is a stick. Oh shit, this thing has good handling too. We're about to drive this thing in the mountains. We have a few more minutes left. Oh shit, I almost just crashed. Oh my gosh, dude. This is a motocross bike. Let's make sure it's not lagging. Nope, it's not. Alright, good. Going like 60 miles an hour. We're in the woods too. I literally live in the middle of nowhere. This thing is fast too. This thing is perfect. I have this thing in low power mode. But the thing is that I can easily put it in high power mode, but I decided not to because I just got used to riding it. Attention, stop over there, stupid. Oh shit, that was close. I'm definitely good at leaning too. That's cool, I can just go around in a circle. My house was right there, I could have gone that way. Could have gone that way. Huh. That was close. I almost just died there. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm not lagging. Good. I have to check OBS for this game because every time when I press record, it just stops recording. It did that a second ago. Thank God I got the footage. But I have to figure out what is causing that because I can't have a video of it being recorded and all of a sudden it just doesn't fucking record. Like, that's not good. Alright, let's keep going. That was 5th gear. I stayed in 4th gear. Hills right here. Train tracks. Watch out. Oh, damn. That was close. Hill right here. Yeah, tight turn. So many bumps. This road's so bumpy as well. Probably should have paid attention. I could look back if I want to. Oh, there was a trail there. There was a trail there. But since this thing is a dirt bike, I'm gonna go off-road. Let's go right like this. Oh, wait, I have to downshift. Why is it fucking vibrating? Hell. I have no idea what this is. Got random ash trail. I gotta end the video soon too. Gotta head back to the crib soon. Alright, this is pretty cool, but I gotta turn around. We'll definitely do dirt biking in another video. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. Put your pinky up. I'm talking to you. Put your pinky up. Well, not this. This. We will do it. Alright, let's go like this. Oh, shit. I just fell. That was not. Why is this clutch? This clutch is so weird. Stop vibrating. Let's just hit a tree. I'm literally driving a mountain bike. I'm literally in a freaking dirt bike right now. In the mountains, since I live in the mountains. Oh shit! And I stalled. Jones, why give a massage? Alright, we're back. Oh man, the road's here. The road, the house is back this way. Are you kidding me right now? Go. Go. Go! Why is it not bringing me on the road? I'm gonna stay in 5th gear. This is faster. Go over this big ass bridge. Oh, right there was the turn. Right there was the turn. Stop vibrating! Alright, here we go. You can drive this thing fast in the hills. God, that was close. Oh, we got a house here. Oh, yes. Bridge. Where was that? Was that a house? No, that wasn't a house. What the hell did I do? That wasn't the city then. There's the city right here. It's coming up. Train tracks, watch out. Oh, damn. Yeah, we crossed this area. I know where I am now. I know where I am. Oh, crap. I'm gonna go down this way. Actually, no. I don't go down this way. Oh, yeah. I think I do. Yeah, I'm lost. I think I did. Oh shit! In this second section, I was making attention. the house is right there. I know where I am. Oh, my. Jones barbecue foot massage.
5 minutes later.
Oh. Oh my. Damn. There he goes. Alright, we're back on this road here. No, that's not the right way. It's this way. Oh, I did get a kill.
You stupid.
Let's go like this. Gosh, this is absolutely insane. And there I am, next to the new car. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what kind of videos you want to see on this channel. With these bikes, with the cars, anything. I will do it, trust me. So ladies and gentlemen, be sure to let me know. I got this bike here. I'm gonna order like another one of these. Maybe I'll get someone else to play, and then we'll just like race them. They'll be insane. Buy like 5 bikes, go mountain climbing, doing crazy things. That's just the kind of person I am. I love doing fun things. I like doing creative things outdoors in the sunlight without playing video games. So, ladies and gentlemen, and also in real life too. Like me and my dad have ridden scooters and stuff in the park. It's just you don't even imagine how great it is. But, ladies and gentlemen, why did it say FL5 on that license plate? I don't know. I'm getting distracted. Because I'm so nervous about the car, I'm getting distracted by everything. Ladies and gentlemen, guess in the comments below how much that horsepower that car makes. I'll see you all in another video. And make sure to like, subscribe, slap the bell, and check out my other videos in the next one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Listen!